Hey guys, welcome back to another Ninja Guides video, and in this video guys I'm going to show you how to create a Bluesky account. And it's really easy and simple. First things first, just open up the Bluesky app, and then guys I'm going to be showing you how exactly we can create an account. So here, just click on create an account, and now, okay, the hosting provided Bluesky Social, that's okay. I'm going to enter my email address, pioneer271@gmail.com. I'm going to put my password in. Alright, I have put in my password. Now I'm just going to put my birth date. Let's put 2000 June 30th. That's okay with me. And then just press on next. Now input our user handle. I'm going to put Pioneer 2713. That looks good, guys. I'm going to press next. And now it's asking us to complete a captcha. Just click on I am human. And then we want to choose images with hippos or porcupines, I guess. There we go. Oh, is that a hedgehog? I think that's a hedgehog. Anyways, let's choose the relevant images and just click on verify. We have completed the challenge, the captcha basically. And now guys, we're being redirected to give a profile of paste. I'm gonna click on not allow for now. And let me just create an avatar instead. Let's use, I like a blue smiley face. That's good. We're gonna click on done, and I'm gonna click on continue. Now it's gonna ask us our interests. So you just want to choose whatever interests you have. For example, video games, movies, whatever you're into, sports. And if you're into animals, you can choose that as well. If you like education, click on continue after you choose your interests. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Click on this. Click on let's go and finalize. And I don't want notifications at the moment. And boom, guys, you have just created a Bluesky account. It was literally that easy and simple. Anyways, guys, if this video helped, make sure you hit the like button. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next video.